Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that you may determine that you sent an invitation and you sent one in error. And it could be that you have seen their content, you decided that you would rather retract that connection. You can do that, and you do that by going to your My Network tab. That's going to open up into seeing your invitations. You're going to click Manage All. And once you get to Manage All, what you're going to do is you're going to click this tab that says Sent. And when you get to that tab, you're going to see that you're going to have all the individuals from whom you can withdraw your connection. And so all you'll need to do here is you'll need to click this link that says Withdraw. And then you will no longer have any sent invitations. That individual will no longer see it in their inbox. Now, they may see it in their email box. However, they will no longer see it in their LinkedIn inbox, and they won't be able to respond to it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.